I think we should do something even more than try spicy. I'm gonna do mou frite without the frite. I'm doing steamed mussels with beer.
Aw.
You don't like mussels?
No.
Why not?
Does it look like I care about mussels?
I'm gonna go more Italian/Spanish. I've got some Spanish chorizo. I wanna render out the fat. Fat has a ton of flavor. And when the sausage is all cooked, I'm gonna add my garlic. I'm gonna add my shallots. I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes and some fresh thyme and let that cook for just a little bit, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops. We've got all the wonderful things that you want in a delicious dish, CJ.
If you say so, buddy.
I do say so, and you will try it, and you will like it.
I will try it.
One through 10, where would you say you are on the hot scale?
I used to be a 7. Now I'm probably sitting around the 5 or 6. 5. 5.
Where would you say your dish is?
Probably gonna be around the 5 mark. I'd like to think it is. What do you think there, bud?
A 3.
Well, then I might have to figure out a way to ramp it up.
I'm at a 7. You're gonna love it. Why don't you gander at that?
Oh, geez. With the steam,
right?
Like the movies around here.
This is one of those things, it's a showstopper. You put this on the table and let everyone eat family style. Come on now. It starts to creep up. You feel the heat coming?
I do, actually.
It's not like, it's not mean. It's not gonna hurt your feelings.
No, it's not hurting my feelings.
No, but it's just a slow rise. It'll keep going.
It's actually plateaued, I think.
Good.
Don't need
nice.
to do that anymore.